Yo, what is going on, dude? So, boom, boom, boom. It's a lovely Monday morning right now. We're feeling good. It's like 9 o'clock right now. Feeling good. It's hot, but it's not too hot. It's bearable. If you guys have not yet, do make sure you guys go down below. You hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and tap that bell icon so you never miss another Zenocide drop again.
I'm Los. This is Zenocide channel. Make sure. No, I'm just kidding.
I'm Los. This is the Zenocide channel where we do a bunch of haunted content. So if that's what you're into, dude, subscribe and
anybody
help us hit that goal.
Whoever subscribes in the next minute, get a free dollar. Hey, DM me on Instagram. I'll ship it out to you. Look, get some dollars too.
Help us hit a goal, dude. We're trying to hit 2,000. We're like 1,800 something. We're really super duper close to 2,000. So if you guys can help us out, dude, be much appreciated.
Support. Bro, you guys have been so like, I don't know, bro. I had no words. You guys literally shot up the subscriber count. That's crazy.
We've gained almost like 600.
Literally 600. That's how much you make like in like a year.
Last year, yeah, it was a struggle to get to 500. We made like 600 in like a month.
Remember what I told you I wanted to nozzle my car? Look.
So put nozzle in his
boy
car.
Christian hooked it up.
Christian, give him a nos tank.
How?
October 22nd, bro. Be on the lookout.
Yes, sir. Let's
Boom.
get started on the install.
As you guys saw from the title, bro, what are we doing today, man? What are we doing today?
I'm install this Skunk2 Radiator on my EJ8.
Boom. Boom. Check it out.
Check this out. The turbo coupe.
What's wrong with this one or what?
Nothing wrong with that. I just want to upgrade it. Ain't nothing wrong with upgrading parts, you know?
Upgrading it, bro. Upgrading. This is like eBay one or what?
Yeah, look, eBay one. Better flowing,
that,
better
yeah.
cooling, better everything. Yeah, so this little eBay one, it still works, but if you're trying to push more power on it, you might run a little hotter. So you want to get a better flowing.
Boom.
Better flow. I heard the good things that, you know, when these are brand new, they last a while, but this one's pretty old. I had it for like almost 5 years already.
Hey. So time to get rid of it, bruh.
Time to get rid of it. I mean, it's still working, but I want it to run colder, you know?
Nah, yeah, especially with the turbo, dude.
Yeah.
Turbo causes and generates more heat, so you need better cooling, bro. And what's better than this thick Skunk2? Damn, how much shiny that looks. Huh?
It's the owner's kit. I already have a bunch of those. Check that out. Alpha. Check that out.
Yo, that looks sick.
Skunk2 certified.
Is that like a badge?
Yeah.
That looks sick.
Check that out. Alpha.
Boom.
Yes, sir. And I'm gonna use the slim fan that has this one.
That Mishimoto slim fan?
Yeah, it's a Mishimoto one.
Boom. It's going
Check
to
it out.
Mishimoto. You're not gonna overheat at all, dude.
Your radiator. Check this out. Upgrade the hoses as well.
Look at the Skunk2 hoses.
I bought them just to match.
Check this out, though. What else did you buy to match?
Oh, yeah, I forgot to show you.
Boom! We got the calcetin, bruh. You got the sock on his reservoir.
Look, Skunk2, if you're watching this, sponsor my car. Check it out. I support all your guys' products. You know, hit me up.
Alright, so first we're gonna have to lift this thing up. It's pretty low, so you have to put the low pro jack.
Check that out,
Lift
though,
this thing up. So you gotta drain that thing looks sick. Drain this radiator. Take off this bolt to take it off of the mounting bracket. Take off the hoses.
Bruh, look.
It's actually super easy, dude.
Look, guys, literally the other day, this thing cracked on me. Look. Nah, I gotta go get a new one.
Dude.
I don't have
All that
to.
pressure, dude.
Relieve some pressure. It might shoot out. Watch out.
You took it off already?
No, it's gonna shoot out though. I seen it.
Yeah, it does shoot out. Should get the bucket in there.
Just relieve some pressure. What the hell? Should I just send it?
Yeah, just send it.
Alright, watch out, watch out. Yo! Yo! Get another bucket. Yo! I was like, yo,
I think he's flying out, dude.
Like, should I just send it? Yeah, so after getting blasted with coolant, It should be pretty draining right now.
It's hilarious, bro.
What we gotta do right now is we gotta go buy some coolant for the new radiator because I don't have any.
Boom.
I only have like half a quart. But
It's
that's
not
not
enough.
gonna do anything, bro. I gotta buy like, I don't even know how much this takes, like 2 quarts? 1.5?
Look, 1.5.
One
Yeah,
and a half
half.
quart.
But you need 1.
1.5 quarts, so we're gonna make a little trip to O'Reilly's right now.
Boom. So about to hit up O'Reilly's because homie over here doesn't have enough coolant. So that's what we're about to do.
Guys, Integra is one of one Honda that blows the Antarctica kind of AC, bro.
Antarctica.
Yeah, this guy has the coldest AC that any old Honda ever has. So that's insane, bro. Like, mine doesn't even work like that. And I got mine recharged too. I think I need a new AC compressor on mine.
Now mine's just living on hopes and dreams, but it works, dude. All you gotta do is just pray.
Pray.
Alright,
So we just got here. Gotta get some coolant.
Get a local tweaker here.
So look, this is what I had on my car. It works. I had this on my car for like a long time.
VP Racing.
Cool down.
Meditative.
Look,
That's gonna be right there. Look,
that's me right now.
you gotta change your radiators. You're gonna look like you know.
So yeah, I like adding this. Helps it, gives it a little bit more cool down.
No
more
promotion
performance.
though. And Stussy slide's not gripping no more, dude. Boom. Yeah. Coolant. There's some right there.
Right here.
You're looking for the blue one though? What's the red one for?
Look, this one's already blue, so he seems.
It matches. Oh, it's Toyota.
So
Boom.
alright, y'all. So
Shiny.
look, this is what I add on my car. It's this one.
I have another one.
Sure. Yeah, the Apple one. Bro. Like 30 bucks. 29. Little ticker.
All right, dude. So we have the stuff right here in the trunk of the Integra. We have the Xerox coolant, and then as you guys saw, homie got the Meditative VP Racing cool down
Yo, this one
coolant
is
performance
really
improver.
Cool down.
So the first thing you guys are gonna want to do is drink the coolant.
Should we do it?
Yo, homie's gloves now, you know, right?
Yo, chill, bro. I just gotta take it out here.
Take this
I
one.
throw this garbage away. I need to buy a new reservoir. Alright, y'all throw this in the trash.
Bruh.
Bruh,
What's wrong with them?
it's just cracked.
From where? The lid?
The cap.
You're right then.
I'm still take it out though. For hoses out.
First hose is out, dude.
I'm gonna use the clamps, but I'm gonna throw this one in the garbage. It's all good as long as I just take it off of here. Doesn't matter, don't rip no wires. Oh, I just pulled it up. Alright, now
Just the last one, huh? And then
let's take it out.
Oh, the fan too.
Great. Alright, yo, don't forget the stick. Else your
You rip
fan's
out your
gonna
whole
explode. I'm gonna still use this fan, so I gotta take care of it. Like I said earlier, I just want to upgrade it. I'm gonna just take it from the fan. Alright, so I'm gonna clean this up. Make it look a little bit more shiny. 'Cause I'm still using this fan for the Skunk2. Yes, sir. Just got the fan on there.
It's in there?
Yeah. Get the other can. I'm gonna tighten this one. Alright, y'all. Got the last final touch on here. Everything's already on there. The only thing I gotta do is add coolant and bleed it, but check it out. Boom, bro. Got the Skunk2 Alpha hoses.
They look
Alpha
clean.
radiator.
The hoses look sick.
Things going nowhere. These clamps are like mad tight. Look how the fitting is.
Yeah, these hoses are super thick, dude.
That's not doing anything. It's not leaking.
Looks tight.
Alright, little dudes. So, check this out. I like to add this stuff in my cooling system. I don't know about you guys, but I do. I pour that in first.
He's mixing in the lab.
The mad scientist.
He's a chemist.
Like the fool in the picture.
Yeah, throw him.
That's me right now. I just like to throw that in first. And throw that in the garbage. This is what I had left over. Just fill it up. All the air bubbles, look. Is there any leaks?
No leaks?
No leaks.
so far, no. I hate doing these, and then I don't know where you get a random leak. You're leaking like, yo, where's it coming from? After you already put coolant inside.
So I was trying to make sure
You're just scavenging around trying to see where the leak is coming from. Because basically, like, you just went, paid $30 for that, and you open it and it's like this on the floor.
Yeah, I try to do that. I just gotta open it, fill it up, wait till the thermostat opens, and then add more.
I don't have it here, so we're just gonna send it like that.
Try that. You try to
Yes, sir. Ready to do a burnout.
I have to talk kind of louder. It's mad loud.
Just hold it, you don't have to rev it too high. Hold it. That's it.
Just got it done. Check it out. Full thing's complete. About to go take it out on a drive later. See if it overheats or not.
That's it right there, dude.
Yes, sir.
Alright, so this dude swapped out his radiator for the Skunk2 Racing Radiator and also upgraded the hoses. Boom. And did the coolant flush as well. That is basically it for this video, man. If you guys don't do this to your car, especially if it has a turbo on it, it's gonna run kind of hot, bro. It's gonna run a little hot.
300 degrees.
300 degrees. That's it for this video, man. Catch you on the next, bro. Peace.